Hi guys, welcome to Lifestyle and Creation. My name is Pradeep Narayan Singh and we are welcoming the new Skoda Kushaq. The king has arrived. So let's check out the car. So this is the all-new Skoda Kushaq, which is over here, the king as we call it, because it is known for its unmatched performance, superior build quality and unmatched safety features in the segment. So this is the honey orange metallic color in the style variant. We also have a tornado red color in the same variant style. So let's go and check out that car as well. So this is the tornado red color in the style variant of Skoda Kushaq. Now it comes with all same distinct Skoda characteristics, the crystalline design, the emotive same design technology in the lights as well, and the same butterfly grille which has been slightly changed from the previous ones to make it more bolder. So this is a globally acclaimed TSI engine. Now this is a 1 liter block which is very powerful, delivers good amount of power of 115 PS, excellent torque of 175 Nm and also an excellent mileage of 18 kmpl which is ARAI certified. So let's check out the interiors. So as you can see, it comes with very plush interiors with 10 inches a touchscreen display with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and wireless charging facility as well. So it also has a touch panel for the automatic climate control AC that comes with built-in air purifier. Now it also, I really like this sliding function of the AC controls which can be adjusted just while driving without me being need to look at the AC. It also has a wireless charging facility over here with a lot of piano black finish on the console which makes the console very rich and premium. Now it also has an analog and digital combi meter console, a 2-spoke steering wheel with controls on both the sides to adjust the volume and scroll functionalities. Now since this is an automatic car, it also has paddle shifters on the steering wheel as well. The steering wheel is 4-way adjustable with tilt and telescopic function as well. It also comes with a sunroof in this variant. So it also has a cooled glove box with AC vents inside the glove box to keep your drinks and juices bottle cool. So the driver and the co-passenger seats are ventilated. It has a wireless charging facility. It also has 2 C-type USB ports in the front and a 12-volt accessory socket. The front armrest is adjustable with a console box underneath. It has an auto dimming inside rear view mirror, automatic headlamps and automatic rain sensing wipers as well. And the car also comes with a cruise control feature. Now this car offers best in class rear cabin space with good amount of legroom, headroom and shoulder room as well. Now in the rear there are rear AC vents as well. There are 2 adjustable rear AC vents and also there are 2 C-type USB ports to charge your electronic devices. There is a sun blind over here and a power windows control. It also has a rear armrest. So it has got an attractive rear LED lights, a high mount stop lamp. The car comes with a rear wiper and rear defogger on the rear windshield. Excellent Skoda lettering logo and a chrome garnish on the boot as well. Let's check out the boot space. So this is I like the most in this car. Now it offers a best in class boot space as well. We are not fighting with the numbers, but practically it can occupy 3 trolley bags and a backpack as well. So 4 luggages in the boot. So now let's check out the color options in the Skoda Kushaq. Now this is, as I mentioned earlier, the tornado red color in style variant. This is the candy white color in ambition variant. This is the honey orange color in style variant. Skoda Kushaq is coming with 4 years of warranty, 4 years of roadside assistance, and a service interval of once in a year of 15,000 kilometers. We do also have an excellent service care and maintenance package at a very attractive price. So do contact us for the attractive prices. So that was all about the all new Skoda Kushaq. Hope you all got the required information correctly. For more information, you can write to us in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and share the channel.